So, I'm here watching the recent episode of Uthando Nesithembiso and I got triggered by Mpumelo's behavior once again. He disrespects his father in front of his wives. There are talk about that and more here on this video, but before going to the video, I want to request you guys to like it, and if you ain't subscribed, please do press the subscribe button. You can also show support by scrolling down this channel so that you can watch my previous videos, and I hope that you guys are going to enjoy watching this video. People who watch Uthando Nesithembiso will know that Omseleko went out on a family trip and it looks like the vibes are good. There's no peace for Omseleko. This is one family that doesn't enjoy having fun conversation. So early in the morning, everyone is eating and enjoying their breakfast. Umusa then decides to fuel the fight that was between uMaNgwabe, uMakhumalo and uSneh. He reminded them that uSneh once spoke about them on a certain podcast. And if you heard me correctly, ladies and gentlemen, I said Umusa Msele was talking to uMakhumalo and uMaNgwabe, of which those are his wives. Then this boy decides that he's going to interfere on that. Lo mfana ngempela uzitshela ukuthi ubani ukuthi yena angazotshela a whole Musa Msele ukuthi akhulume noma angakhulumi ini nabafazi bakhe. Worst part, he does all of that in front of the whole family. Even Sneh and below was shocked by the way that this boy spoke to his father. Nanokuthi to me, le nto ibikade ibuka sengathi lo mfana uzama nje ukuzenza relevant for no reason, because I don't understand. Suke kanjani kuSneh edelela boMakhumalo naboMaNgwabe to him trying to be relevant ukuthi azotshela uMusa ukuthi his wives attacked him. I mean, what? In fact, bafethu, comment about this on the comment section. Hlaphi mina Papaya. Just comment in the comment section, share your thoughts and opinions about this topic. And if you enjoyed content here on this video, please do like the video, subscribe to the channel if you're subscribed, and share the video on your Facebook, your Twitter, Instagram, even your TikTok. And all of that being said, this is the end. Thank you so much for watching. Let's engage again on the next video.